So 3D printing sometimes comes in where you need a quick part and you don't have time to obviously wait to get it manufactured. So you can quickly go to either a resin-based. Resin-based printing is as good as a molded part. We specialize in inspection equipment as well as some 3D printing technologies. What we do different is that we specialize in industrial spec 3D printers. So we don't do any hobbyist type stuff, and the main difference between the hobbyist level printing and the industrial spec is the type of materials you're able to print. So we do 3D printing services as well as scanning and reverse engineering. So if somebody needs some of their parts QC measured or any type of inspection report, we could offer that as a service. So B&R 3D Solutions introduced ScanTech into our product portfolio back in about 2016. They originally started with their first generation laser scanners were red lights. Second generation they started with the blue light laser scanners, and the third generation now they've combined Nimble Track, which is a completely wireless system as a tracking device, and blue light laser